Hi! Welcome back to another episode of Cabin Fever Astronomy from the Edelman Planetarium. If you go outside a little after sundown tonight, or just peek out a west-facing window, you might see what looks like an extremely bright star. It's actually the planet Venus, and right now, it's quite a bit brighter than normal. We see Venus and the other planets in the sky by the light they reflect from the sun. A planet's brightness is affected by a few things: how big it is, how much of the sun's light it can reflect, how far it is from the sun, and how far it is from Earth. These things can interact in interesting ways, leading to strange things, like Mercury regularly appearing about a third as bright as Jupiter in the sky, even though Jupiter is 12 times farther from the sun. Although Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, it's also the smallest planet in our solar system, and it only reflects about 1/10 of the light that hits it. On the other hand, Venus is much larger, and only a bit further from the sun, and reflects about 3/4 of the light that hits its surface. This makes Venus much brighter than Mercury. Even at its dimmest, Venus is still brighter than Mercury. Since both Mercury and Venus are closer to the sun than we are, if you look at them through a telescope, they appear to have phases, just like the moon. Phases happen when we can see a bit of the daytime side and a bit of the nighttime side of an object in space. We can only see the nighttime side of things that are closer to the sun than we are, so we can't see phases on the outer planets like Jupiter. A planet's, or our moon's, phase makes it appear brighter when close to the full phase, and dimmer when close to the new phase. Venus and Mercury approach their new phase at the same time their orbits bring them closest to us. So, as they're getting closer, they're actually starting to get dimmer. Venus looks brightest when its distance and phase balance just right, at a point called greatest illuminated extent. Venus officially reached its greatest illuminated extent last night at around 7 p.m., but it's not too late to see it. For the next few nights, Venus will be 3 times brighter than it was just a few months ago. By June 3rd, Venus will no longer be visible in the sky. Did you know that it's so bright that you can even see Venus during the day? Using a night sky app on your phone, you can find it high in the sky, where it looks like a faint pinprick of light. But be sure to block out the sun with your hand. Even accidentally looking directly at the sun can cause permanent damage to your eye, which might make stargazing a bit hard. So keep your eyes to the skies, and we'll be back soon with another episode. So thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again.